How I made over $19,000 in the last week, in the last 7 days with affiliate marketing using TikTok as my traffic. Now, not TikTok shop, but TikTok affiliate, right? So I'm promoting affiliate offers using TikTok as my main traffic. So let's go straight into it. You can see over here, this is my TikTok. And let me go over here and refresh for the last 7 days. I had 600,000 views, 11,000 profile views, and you see 84,000 likes in 7 days. In the last 60 days, I had 2.8 million views, 26,000 comments. Now keep in mind, this is all free traffic. This is organic. I pay zero money on ads. Of course, I'm also spending money on TikTok ads as well, but I just want to show you what you're missing, what kind of opportunity you are missing. Why? Because as you know, Google, Facebook, I would say mostly YouTube and Google, they are really strict on weight loss claim. You cannot say you are going to lose weight. That person before and after pictures, they will shut you down. They have a really, really strong compliance. Now, what is amazing about TikTok is a wild west, like a cowboy. You can be a cowboy basically. Now, I'm not saying you can say whatever or promise any claims for health. It wouldn't be okay for your customer, but I'm just giving you an idea that you can get away with a lot of more words and products on TikTok than if you were to running ads, I don't know, on Google, YouTube, right? They will not easily shut you down. This is the beauty of it. It's like Facebook in 2012 when people were millionaires just because from algorithm, from the pixel itself, right? Pixel did all the job for them. Now you can see over here in the last 7 days, look, let me show you again. 600,000 views, imagine what is that? Traffic, eyeballs, audience to your landing page on ClickFunnels, right? Now, before I go into exactly how it's done, you can reach out to me later here. This is my Instagram, this is my IG. You can see over here. You can reach out to me over here and you can ask me any questions you want, you have regards to affiliate, making money online, affiliate marketing, clickbank, running ads on Google or Facebook. It doesn't matter the traffic source. I'm doing all of them. But in this video, it's about TikTok because it's really a Wild West opportunity where you can make a ton of money, really good amount of money, and also sustainable income. I'm saying $350 to $800 a day in profit as a beginner, okay? Spending like 30 minutes to maximum 1 hour a day, okay? So let's go straight into it, okay? Let me show you over here. I will show exactly how this is done, okay? The first thing you have to understand is we have different kind of audiences, right? We have low emotional states and high emotional states. What do I mean by that? It means there are people, for example, if I ask you, would you go and watch 50-minute long video on ClickBank, video sales at a VSL about weight loss? Would you watch that horror story? Maybe not, probably not. It means you are in the high emotional states and you are in the high emotional states audience. You're already aware of the problem. You know you want to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, change diet, go to gym, right? But there are some people who I would say are lazy or they are just unaware. They don't want to do any work. They don't want to go to the gym. They just want to take weight loss pill and not change their diet. They want to eat donuts. They want to eat pizza every day. You get it, right? There are people like that. And those people are going to be repeat buyers of those ClickBank weight loss supplements. And you, my friend, as an affiliate, you can leverage that and make a lot of money for yourself or your own family. Because people are going to buy anyway, either to your affiliate link or someone else's affiliate link. So you make a choice, okay? You can see over here, we need to get person, the purpose of ads, either on Google or TikTok in this case, is to put person in a problem state, okay? They are scrolling through, they don't go on TikTok, or in some cases they go on TikTok nowadays to buy products. TikTok Live or TikTok Shop is really, really popular, especially in Asia, and now in USA, America, right? Europe. So people are already aware, they go there to buy, okay? So they know they will buy some product anyway. So why not put your ad in front of them, put them into the problem state, and then move them through your ClickBank or Warrior Plus, whatever affiliate network or MaxWeb you're using, into the solution state where they buy. Because my friend, what you need to understand is you need to have the right message to the market match. Once you have the right message to the market match, if you resonate with the audience, the ad network is going to reward you and you are going to get affiliate commissions up to 90% on ClickBank, for example. So let's do the math. Let's say, for example, the whole funnel, the main reason Remember this, write it down. The main reason that people are afraid to spend money on ads is because they don't understand the math behind it. You see, the whole funnel, for example, on ClickBank, let's say it's like this. It goes like this. We have first product, front end for $37. Then you have some upsell for $67, some downsell, or upsell again. And at the end, you can make $300 from one person, from one sale. Let's say you spend $70 in that day for ads. You spent $70 and you made for one person who bought whole funnel with all the upsells, you made $300 back. So my friend, how much you made in that day from only one sale? One sale. Okay, let's say you had 100 clicks, no one else buy, just one sale. How much you made? With less than 1% of buyers, you made $230 that day. You spent in profit. So you made 300, but because we deduct $70 from the ad spend, so you made $230 profit from $70 on ad spend. You can be even more if you had more sales. Now, do you see the potential? Okay, it's not your fault if you have tried before. You failed to make money. You bought courses. The main thing you have to understand is this is not about AI. Yes, AI can help, but you need to have someone who will help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you so you can have sustainable passive income. I'm talking about sustainable income. I'm not talking about millions like other gurus. No, I'm saying, even though it's possible, I'm saying sustainable. Let's say over here, $500 per day in income. What would change for you? How would your life change if you could earn extra $500 to $800 a day every single day? Working, let's say 40 to 1 minute, 40 minutes to 1 hour a day max, right? Because the only job after you have the website and affiliate links connected is to manage your ad campaign 1 hour per day. Sometimes I wake up, you can check my other YouTube videos. I travel a lot. That's why I'm sharing. I travel all around the world thanks to affiliate marketing, because I took it seriously, because I did not make excuses or procrastinate, or I was scared to invest some money to someone to help me or mentor me. Yeah, you have to have someone who will help you along the way. Every single famous star, they had someone, right? So if you want to get results, what you could do next is you can connect with me one-on-one after watching, after subscribing to my YouTube channel, liking the video. You can leave a comment. You can ask me any questions. And there will be my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my Facebook, my email. Everything is under this video in the description. So after watching this video, my friend, you can reach out to me. You can share any question that naturally arise as you watch this video right now, and share with me any questions you have so we can do something together. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.